everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Jody here, and today I'm going to be planning in my classic Happy Planner the vertical spread for the week of June 15th through the 21st. And I thought since this is the 21st will be the first day of summer, I would do a summer sunshine theme spread. So everything will have to do with sun or sunshine, and I've got some pretty yellow and orange toned washi tape here. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying this down. That's cute. Now that I got that laid down, I'm going to go ahead and put my quote sticker. This big one here. Fun in the sun. And I wonder if I have a sticker that actually says the first day of summer. Oh, I do. Yay. Let me make sure that I have the right day. This will be my first Father's Day without my dad, so I don't know. I don't know if I'll mark that. But okay, let's see. So we got our quote sticker. Let's see if I have a big box sticker. Lazy summer days. And then I think I'll put this up here since it kind of matches down here. It's a little off center. Oh well. I'm just loving these oranges and yellows. And at the very last, I'll put down a bunch of just sunshines. Just put this for a little decoration. Put this up here. I'll go put this right here. And that's really cute. I don't like how this isn't matching. So I think I'll move this to my monthly spread. I'll just use that to note the first day of summer. Okay, now let's put in some of our task boxes. I have Monday, Tuesday, that can be Tuesday. And then I'll do a checklist. Okay, sorry about that. My battery died, and I'm not sure where it cut off last. But I have put in all my task boxes, with the exception of the weekend. And I think I'm just going to use these little checklist boxes. I think I'll put one here and one here. And now I'm just going to fill in with some decorative elements. And maybe a couple headers. Let's see. I'll put one there. I'll put one there. I really like this quote sticker, but I don't think there's room for it. Oh wait, well, I suppose if you have sunshine, you should have sunglasses. So, let's just add a pair. There you go. Okay, I think that's going to be it for this spread. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join my community. Until next time, thanks guys. Bye.